I'm Steve G. Jones, clinical hypnotherapist, and I want to take a few moments to talk to you about one of the most important chapters in my new book. You know, my new book that I wrote with Frank Mangano is just a powerhouse, a treasure trove of information, a wealth of knowledge that is available to you. And the book is called You Can Attract It. But beyond talking about the book, I want to talk about what's in the book, because that's the reason that Frank and I wrote the book. We wanted to give the readers information that they could use and that they could apply to their lives to really make a difference. So if you're watching this and you're in one of those places where you're not really sure how you're going to get to the next level, you're not even sure perhaps if there is a next level or if there is any hope whatsoever, and I'm talking about in the realm of abundance, bringing into your life those things that you want. If you're in that zone where you just don't feel that it's possible, then what I'm about to share with you will hopefully open some doors for you, open your mind to some possibilities, and just kind of turn on some lights for you. And I want to talk specifically about the chapter that we have on abundance. You know, so many people think that having too many things is somehow a sin or a crime. You know, the Bible didn't say that money is the root of all evil. The Bible said the love of money is the root of all evil. And as a former preacher, I should know that. The concept of focusing everything you have on the pursuit of money is just not a worthy concept. It's not anything that really leads to any happiness. So if that's been your modus operandi, your way of doing things, then I'm inviting you to make a change. I'm inviting you to step back and take a look at what you've been doing and realize that you can do things differently. Because the way that you can get everything that you want in your life and have an abundant life is very simple. And that is just open yourself to it. Open yourself to the possibility. And you may think, well, I'm open to the possibility of having millions of dollars, yet I don't have them. If that's the case, then you need to realize that there's something that goes along with that. When you're open to the possibility of receiving everything that you ever wanted in your life, things that will make your life comfortable, things that will allow you to help people, things that will allow you to feel that you are valued. If you're open to that concept, then you're going to be open to opportunities which arise, which will give you what you want. And when we open ourselves to those opportunities, that's when abundance happens. That's when the flow really gets turned on. That's when the spigot gets turned all the way open and abundance starts flowing into our lives. And you may wonder, how do you do that? Well, the best way to do that is to find your passion. Find your passion and find out, do some soul searching, find out how your passion can contribute to the lives of others. Because it's true that the more people you help, the more you're going to have coming toward you. So if you help one person in your life, you're going to have a flow, you're going to have something coming to your life. But if you help thousands of people, you're going to have a tsunami of water coming in, bringing all sorts of things into your life. Not a tsunami that devastates, but a tsunami in the spiritual and metaphysical and abundance sense that brings you everything you want. So I invite you to search your soul and find out what it is that inspires you. What can you do on a big scale that's going to help a lot of people? Start getting out of your head and start getting out of your immediate financial situation and start getting into the concept of giving from your heart, from your talents, from what you have to give, giving abundantly to as many people as possible. And I promise you that, you know, beyond a book or beyond any specific information, I promise you that your efforts will be rewarded. This goes beyond anything that's written or or anything like that. This is reality. This is the truth of the matter. I promise you that if you can find a way to reach within yourself and find out what's in there that's good for thousands of people and share with thousands of people, you will have everything that you ever wanted. So if you're struggling with a light bill or electric bill or any other kinds of bills, those worries will be a thing of the past once you apply this simple technique. Using the law of attraction, you can get everything you want. I'm Steve G. Jones, clinical hypnotherapist, inviting you to visit the website that I've designed for you, which talks more about this. It's called youcanattractit.com. Check out the website, start doing some soul searching. Whether you get the book or not is up to you. That's fine. It's your decision. But what I want you to do, what I want you to take away from what I'm telling you now, is that you have everything within you right now. If you will just take a few moments, search your soul, find out what you want to share with the world, and figure out a way to share it, you will have everything you want and you will live abundantly. Again, I'm Steve G. Jones, clinical hypnotherapist, hoping you